Today we will be testing a 5-minute scalping strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a 5-minute scalping strategy. Before we do though, wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 158 different strategies, with 55 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 87% win rate. That was achieved with the Academy of Forex indicator. We have also tested a total of 994 indicators, with 419 of them being winners. Alright, so today we're testing a 5-minute scalping strategy. So the source video says this scalping trading strategy can change your trading life. So of course we're going to put that to the test and see what we can get out of this strategy, see if it is profitable. And so what we'll do is just go ahead and turn off these two indicators here. The first indicator you'll want to add to the screen is going to be the G channel trend detection right here. You'll add that one to the screen, and it will look kind of similar to this here. We're going to go ahead and go into the settings and make a few changes here. So on the length, you're going to change that to 45. Under the style, you're going to turn off everything here but these two shapes right here, and you can leave these labels and values on if you see fit. And so now it should look like this right here with just these buy and sell tags. And so the next indicator you'll want to add to the screen is going to be the super trend Forex with cloud fill, this one right here by Kush. You'll add that to the screen and it will look like this right here. You can go in and change the visual aspects of this if you see fit. I'm going to leave mine all on default and the input stay on default. So what we're looking for is a sell signal from the G trend, and it is slightly delayed, the sell signals or the signals in general. So you see here it's the close of this bar right here that then gives us the signal right here. So we're one bar kind of into the future, if you will. When that sell tag appears right there, what we're looking for is the super trends to all be in a short color. In this case, it's going to be black instead of red, strangely enough. Once all those line up there, that's going to be our signal to then enter a short trade. We're going to put our stop at the top of the super trends there, and we're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward right about there. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see what we get out of it. Alright, so you see there that it takes a little bit to eventually get to our take profit, but then we make this nice drop right down here and it gets us to our take profit. Alright, and for a long trade, again, we're looking for the buy tag from the G trend. And when we get that buy tag, we are looking for the super trends to all be in a bullish position here, or bullish color. That's going to be this green color right here. And so once those line up there, that's going to be our signal to then enter a long trade. Put our long there, put our stop right below the super trends, and we are going to target that 1 to 1.5 risk reward just like before. Let's go ahead and play this one forward and see what we get. Alright, so you see there that it takes a little bit again before we eventually hit our take profit, but then we get this nice spike here, and it does get us to our take profit once again. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are looking for a profitable trading strategy, I highly suggest you check out the best strategy that we have tested on the channel here. It was able to achieve an 84% win rate. I'll put a screenshot up of the thumbnail to that video right now. I'll link to it up in the corner, and I'll also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Like I said, it is a highly profitable trading strategy, was able to achieve an 84% win rate. It uses one of our custom indicators that we've developed here on the channel, as well as a trading view indicator, and all around it is a wonderful trading strategy. I highly recommend you check that out. And so there is a lot of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel. I highly recommend it. Alright, so let's go ahead and go over the numbers on the strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. Out of those 50 trades, we've got 21 winning trades and 29 losing trades, putting it at a 42% win rate. So with the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you were looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $12,600. On the losing side, you would have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your drawdown would have been $11,600 for a total loss of $1,000 altogether. Now compare that to the Academy of Forex strategy, which I've mentioned a few times before already in this video. We did 186 trades during that same period of time, and out of those 186 trades, we had 159 winning trades and 27 losing trades, putting it at an 85% win rate. If you're looking to gain that same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $95,400. On the losing side, you would have lost $24,300 for a total gain of $71,100. And that is a really large number, and we'll discuss that here in just a moment. So you can see that you would have been far more profitable with the Academy of Forex indicator strategy, again, that I've mentioned a few times before. If you're interested in the Academy of Forex indicator, you can get a free trial when you sign up for our Patreon down below. Once the free trial is over, it's only $15 a month to maintain access to the indicator, and so it's super cheap for a profitable, efficient trading strategy. Let's just go over the problems with this indicator. Again, it confuses complexity with efficiency, and so the strategy is so complex. Even though it only has a few indicators together, two of them, it is so complex that the signals are far and few between. You pass up a lot of great trading opportunities in the market to pick up a very rare moment where the signals all line up perfect. And that is often portrayed as being more efficient, more accurate, and more profitable. And it just isn't the case. It just, again, confuses complexity with efficiency. And so you'll see this quite a bit with indicators and strategies in general. And so I think it's something that needs to be pointed out more often, is that to achieve these 50 trades during a 5-minute time frame, it took almost a year of trading to get there, which is why, well, I think half a year actually is what it was. And so that's why the Academy of Forex indicator did so many trades within that same period of time, is because it took so long, and on a 5-minute time frame, half a year is an eternity worth of signals. And so just something to note, that was the problem with this indicator. Let's go ahead and look at the weekly signals. And so this is the signals from these 4 Forex pairs and this one crypto coin on the 30-minute time frame using the Academy of Forex indicator, again, that I've mentioned a few times before. And so what we're doing is we're tracking the signals each week. So this last week, the Forex pairs did 14 trades. They had 12 winning trades, 2 losing trades, putting it at an 85% win rate, a gain of $4,440. On the crypto coin, 2 trades, 2 winning trades, 100% win rate, a gain of $1,200. Total gain for the week would have been $5,640. Add that to our 5-week total, and our total now at 6 weeks would have been $19,720. And so you can see that with just a handful of Forex pairs and a few trades, a couple handfuls of trades a week, you can earn significant profits from the strategy, like I've said before. So that's it for this video here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the yes list. I cringe to say that because I don't think it's great, but was able to maintain a positive profit. So we'll go ahead and move on to the next video from here.